Hello everyone. In this video we have an interesting conversation. So watch this video till the end and also do practice. Hello ma'am. How may I help you?
Hello, I'm looking for a beautiful dress for the party. Do you have any in stock?
Let me check for you. What color are you thinking about?
Maybe something in pink or blue. I love those colors.
Okay, I will find some pink and blue dresses for you. Please wait a moment.
Thank you.
Here is a lovely pink dress. It has a sparkle and a nice bow on the front. What do you think?
It's pretty, but do you have something blue too?
Yes, I do. Here is a beautiful blue dress. It has little flower and a shiny belt. Do you like this one?
Wow, it's really nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. There is a fitting room over there. Let me help you to it.
Thank you. I'm so excited to see how I look on it.
I'm sure you will look great. If you need any help, just call me.
Okay, I'm ready to try it on now.
How does it feel? Does it fit well?
It feels good. I like it a lot, but can I see the pink one dress again just to compare?
Sure, let me get the pink dress for you.
Both dresses are so pretty. I'm having a hard time choosing.
It's hard to choose sometimes. Why do you think about which color you like the most?
I really like both colors. Maybe I pick the one which feels more comfortable.
That's good idea. Try on pink dress again and see how it feels.
The pink dress feels nice too. I think I chose the pink one for the party.
Great choice. It looks beautiful on you. Do you need any help with anything else?
No, I'm all set. Thank you for helping me finding the perfect dress.
You're welcome. I'm glad you found something that you like. Enjoy the party.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Have a wonderful time at the party.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. If you like this video and this conversation, so like, share and subscribe.